Hi, she. You
Hello,
look so
teacher.
happy tonight, she. Hello. It's wonderful to see you again, she. How are you?
Um, I'm happy.
Okay, well, that's good that you are happy. Tell me first, what did you do today or where did you go?
In the morning, Uh, I wake up at 9:30, and I go eat breakfast with my mother and my uh, younger sister.
Oh, okay. What about in the afternoon? Did you learn?
I I eat my lunch, and uh at six at 6 o'clock. I I go to what small uh stop,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and I go to bookshop.
Okay. Did you read books there? Did you buy books?
I yes.
Oh, okay. Are those English books? Is she?
Uh, I I study a a little English, and I don't understand some English book.
Oh, okay. And that is fine. Yeah, it's okay. You can eat while we're having our class. Is that your dinner?
No, it's my snack.
Snack. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. You can eat while we're having our class. She. Let me share my screen now. And yes, we will continue talking about these places. And I know you're very familiar of them already. Okay, so the first one we have school, which we have talked about last meeting. So we'll now proceed to park. Okay, what is it, she?
Is a park.
What can we do at the park?
I can ride a bike, walk and walk in park, and talk with my friend.
Okay, yes, indeed, you can go there to exercise or just relax. She, how often do you go to the park?
Uh, I usually go to
Do you live near the park?
no, I think park is happy.
Okay. Well, that's good to know, she. Okay, that's the park. Now, the next one. What's this?
But this is train.
Yeah, it's a train station. A
Train
train
station.
station, yes. Okay. Have you been to a train station, she? You have a lot of train stations in Vietnam.
Yes.
Ah, okay. And where did you go that time? Can you still remember? Where did you go that time?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. You can't remember now. Okay. But what transportation do you usually use? She? What transportation? Car, taxi, motorbike, bicycle, jeep. Do you have jeep?
Mm,
Bus?
I mm,
What transportation do you use?
mm, my family have a car.
Okay, so you usually use a car.
Yes.
Okay, and it's very comfortable. She, especially if you want to go out. And now it's really hot, right? Is it hot?
Yes.
Okay, yes, I see. Now, next one. What about this? What's this place?
Yes. A bus stop.
Yes, this is a bus stop. Do you usually ride a bus?
No.
Oh no, but you have tried riding in a bus.
Ye-
Okay. So, yes, if of course you want to go somewhere, then you can always go to the bus stop and wait for the bus. Now, next one, what's this place?
It's a library.
Yes, how often do you go to the library,
Um, I I was go to library at school.
Oh, do you go to the library every day?
No. I think twice a week.
Oh, twice a week, and that's not bad at all. What do you do there? Do you read books? Do you borrow books?
I read books in library at break time.
English books?
No.
No. Oh, okay, just Vietnamese books. Okay. Stories?
Yes.
What's your favorite story? Can you tell me?
Mm, did you know Conan?
Yes, I know Conan, but I'm not really familiar with the story, but I know who Conan is.
I like read Conan story.
Oh, you like reading Conan stories. Do you know Harry Potter?
Yes.
Have you read the book or have you watched the movie?
I I was what uh, a short movie uh, this short story.
Oh, okay, and that's fine. What can you say? What can you say?
Mm,
Do you think it's a good movie or no? And do you
in,
understand? Do you understand the
yes.
story? Oh, yes.
I
Okay.
I I think I like uh I like Doraemon and Conan than this movie.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, I get you. Observe that in Vietnam, Conan, Doraemon, One Piece, it's very popular in Vietnam. I see that it's very popular. Whenever I ask my students, what's your favorite story? They would say Doraemon, Conan, One Piece.
One Piece, yes.
Oh, you
I
know it too.
yes.
But you just read the book. Have you watched
Uh
the movie? There's a movie too.
I Uh, mm, in last year, um, two, uh, 20,
25.
24.
Oh, not last
My
year.
my my aunt is in Vietnam, and in my aunt's house have some one Piece story
Oh, and
books.
you've read it.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's why you know about it. I see. Do you prefer reading books, she, or watching movies?
Mm, I I I I usually watch movie, and I I always read Conan Doraemon in bathroom.
Oh, really? Okay, so you're really into reading, but not English books, I have observed. Just Vietnamese ones. You should try reading English books. She English versions of Conan and Doraemon. Okay, now let us have this one. She tell me what you see. Okay, let us start with this one. What's this?
Is a bus stop.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about this one? She
Is school or classroom.
yes, it's cool. Next one.
Is library.
Very good. What about this?
Is a chance space.
That's right. She and the last one we have.
A park.
Yes. Okay, now let us have this one. Exercise 4. What's this? See?
Is a supermarket.
Yes, what can we buy at the supermarket?
Uh, we can buy snack, mm, clothes, a balloon, and some s- some things. And
Okay, yes, but that's right. She in a
it's food.
supermarket. uh, Okay, in a supermarket, we can buy a lot of things since it is a large retail store. So it's a place where we can go buy groceries and household products. Okay, now next one, convenience store. We've talked about this one last time, right?
Yes.
Convenience store. Okay, what is the difference then between convenience store and supermarket?
Department store.
No, convenience store and supermarket, not department store. See, these two, these two. Wait. Okay, what's their difference? Supermarket and convenience store.
Uh, in supermarket, a convenience store is small.
It's
Is small.
it's we can buy a lot of products in the convenience store.
Mm. I don't understand.
Wait.
Price.
Do you mean a convenience store offers more products than the supermarket?
No, supermarket. I I I think supermarket is big and convenience store is small.
Okay, yes. And what else?
Um, as convenience store, we can buy food and uh food, noodles, uh water. Mm, but in supermarket, we can buy clothes, books, and everything.
Okay, really? When we say we can buy clothes, that is department store. Okay, a place where we can buy clothes is not the supermarket, it's the department store. Mainly, the focus of the supermarket, is for us to buy our daily needs, okay, groceries and household products.
In,
And yes, in convenience store, that is right, it is smaller than the supermarket and it only focus on the essential items and quick purchases.
in Philippines, supermarket mm, has food and not have clothes and book.
Well, yes, it does have but the main meaning of supermarket that is only the floor that offers food or the place wherein you can buy groceries. But when you say you can buy clothes, that is a different part of the supermarket. That is the department store, wherein we will talk later on. Okay, wait. Do we have it in here? Okay, not yet in here, So let us start with the restaurant first.
It's a restaurant.
Okay, yes. What is restaurant?
What? Can you talk again?
What is restaurant,
Uh, we can eat good food in restaurant
Okay, yes, that is correct,
and restaurant. Uh, uh, we can eat uh mm, every food, good food, but it's
Expensive.
really many money.
Yeah, it costs a lot of money. Or in short, you can say it's expensive. Okay, it's expensive. You must have a lot of money to buy a certain food in a restaurant. Do you usually eat in a restaurant?
No, sometimes.
Oh, just sometimes, maybe twice a month.
Yes,
Oh, okay. Now, next one we have bakery.
bakery. Mm, in the bakery, we have bread,
What else?
uh, donut,
Mm-hmm.
mm, I think. Oh wait, cupcake.
Yes, cupcakes, cookies, cakes, right? We have a
Yes,
lot. And I've heard, you have a lot of delicious breads in Vietnam. What
I
can you say
don't.
about the bread in Vietnam?
I
Are
don't
your
understand.
breads delicious? Oh, wait. I've heard that breads in Vietnam are delicious.
Yes,
Oh,
I
yes.
I usually eat this.
Okay, wait, can you tell me? Can can you type it here? Can I see it?
Hmm, I don't have here.
Oh,
I have
oh,
snack.
oh, you're just having a snack. Okay. Still, thank you, She. Now, next one we have movie theater.
I will study.
Movie theater, She.
Hmm, we can watch a big TV and we can watch movie on a black room and in in front of cha- chairs have a big TV and we can watch in
Okay,
this.
so yes, that's right, She. So it is a place wherein you can watch movies in a big screen. Do you usually go to the movie theater with your family?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. What movie did you watch last time?
Um, I think I usually watch Doraemon with
Ah,
my family.
Doraemon. Oh, okay. What other films have you watched? She English films.
Um, it's uh,
Have you watched Luca? This one?
mm, I I a little know this
Huh?
movie and I don't see at my TV.
Oh, okay. Or yeah, we have a lot. Yeah, we do have a lot. Or this one, Disney movies.
Mm, I watch in I watch Ponytail.
What is that? She?
Ponytail is some uh some white, pink, and uh, rainbow ha- horse.
I haven't seen that one. She.
Oh, uh, in Vietnam, this uh ponytail is not you. People in Vietnam not usually what ponytail some and every English mm, movie.
Oh, okay. I see. That is why. But maybe if you have time, you should watch Disney movies. If you have Free time. We have a lot of Disney movies like Barbie. Do you know Barbie?
Yes.
Oh, Barbie, Tinkerbell. We have Rapunzel, Cinderella, Snow White. Do you know them? The princesses or Elsa?
Oh, yes.
Frozen. Oh, okay. So you have watched it. Okay, going back, can you tell me what's this?
This is supermarket or um
Okay, here
vending.
are the other pictures. Which one is
Oh,
the convenience store? Which one is the supermarket?
I think this is convenience store.
Okay, yes, that one is the convenience store. What about this?
This is a supermarket.
Very good, Next one.
It's bakery.
Okay, yes, very good. What about this?
It's a movie theater.
Yes, it is. And
It's restaurant.
okay, yes, a restaurant. And wait, oh, we don't have department store here. Okay, but yes, when we say do you know department store?
Yes.
What is department store, she?
Department store is not big, not small, but
But there
in
are
department
big department
store,
stores.
in department store we can buy uh mm, clothes, shoes, and um glass and
Yes.
some
Hats, caps, belts. Okay, so there you can buy those in the department store. But of course, there is still a part of the supermarket that offer those things. Okay, so you enjoy eating your snack now. That would be it. And I'll see you again on Wednesday. Good night, she.